Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to show you on how to simply enable safe browsing in Instagram. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Instagram app. So I'm going to click on here to open up my Instagram app. Next thing you need to do is to head over to your profile icon from the bottom side. So click on that. Next thing you need to do is to click on this three slider from the top. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down, all the way down, all the way down. Continue to scroll down until you get to app website permissions. Click on that. Then click on browser settings. Then scroll down right here under the security. Make sure you turn on this button. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.